full-time at all. The BBC man asked me yesterday, and he's like, if this is part-time for you, what if you do it full-time? And I'm like, I'm not ready for a full-time thing. Right? I totally get the message, and thank you very much for the reminder. Because there's a future, yeah? I know that there's still more opportunities to do great things. And I don't know, I would have to find a balance between being real, and being diplomatic. All right? Because waiting happened before that 25 seconds. Because if you want to be real, you would offend people. Do you understand? If you want to be real, like people don't they curse you since you were mentioning why are they jackpot. This you were talking about the Romanian story. They don't they curse you since.
I'm going to block them. I'm going to shake for them. But I will tell that truth. Because in my life is watched by Nigerians and Nigerians abroad with a sprinkle, maybe 2% foreigners that are Weibos, maybe another 5% foreigners that are not Nigerians. Because yesterday on TikTok, I had a lady who was from Zambia or something. You understand? Now, John is one of the gentlemen that joins us here regularly. He has something to say about you. I'd like to bring him live, if you may permit, for 1 or 2 minutes. Don't worry, John is not going to bash you. John seems to be supporting some of the things you have to say. And John is also used to being under the bus. So let's hear what he has to say. Don't panic. You see, where I fault you is where you said it, not what you said. Not what you said, where you said it. If you had held a conversation with us, like I'm holding this conversation now, there are things that I can tell them. I saw Nigerian passports from one of the most powerful passports in the world, Don to Gota, in my very eyes. I saw the Nigerian currency. I was telling a story just before you joined. My mother and my father was in Nigeria, so my mother, we traveled to Romania and came back. In